Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using Lexington Law. In this in-depth Lexington Law credit repair review, I'll share my personal experience with their service, explain what they offer, and discuss who would benefit most from using them. Lexington Law is a well-established credit repair firm offering personalized services designed to help you improve your credit score. They achieve this by challenging inaccuracies found on your credit reports. Their services are primarily aimed at individuals who require professional help in repairing their credit, especially those who've encountered issues with incorrect or obsolete information appearing on their reports. Whether your credit score is low due to past financial difficulties, recent setbacks, or simply errors on your credit report, Lexington Law is designed to guide you through the credit repair process and help you regain control of your finances. A key strength of Lexington Law is their comprehensive approach to credit repair. They create a tailored credit repair plan for each client, which involves analyzing your credit reports, generating dispute letters, and communicating directly with the three major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, to resolve any discrepancies. They also provide ongoing monitoring and support, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy credit profile. Furthermore, their team of experts manages the entire process for you, making it a convenient option for those lacking the time or expertise to handle credit repair themselves. While Lexington Law delivers a highly professional and effective service, it's important to note that their services come at a cost. Depending on the specific plan you select, it can be a more expensive option compared to other credit repair companies. However, if you're looking for expert assistance from a company with a proven track record of success, the investment may be worthwhile. In conclusion, Lexington Law is an excellent choice for anyone seeking professional, hands-on assistance with credit repair. If you prefer to have experts handle the complexities of credit repair and are willing to invest in premium services, Lexington Law could be the right solution for you. Click the links in the description to learn more about Lexington Law and take the first step toward improving your credit today.